Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to express our gratitude for the opportunity to present our research today. Allow us to introduce ourselves. We are a group of students from Elementary Education Study Program at Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. In this presentation, we will deliver our research entitled Speed at Mathematics Developing Student Worksheet through Egrang Batokalapa Games to Enhance Length Measurement Understanding in Second Grade. The presentation will cover several parts, including the background of the study, methodology, result, and conclusion. Without further ado, let us begin with the first part of presentation. This research was motivated by the lack of students' understanding of the topic of non-standard units of length measurement. This issue needs to be addressed because measurement is an essential part of everyday life. The solution that can be used in building conceptual understanding of non-standard unit length measurement is mathematics-based learning using the SPADE model assessed by Egrang Batoklapa. Mathematics is a form of mathematics learning that integrates local cultural elements into the learning process. One example of local culture that can be connected to the topic of length measurement is the traditional Egrang Batoklapa game. This traditional game can be applied in mathematics learning with the support of the SPED learning model. The mathematics-based student worksheet using the SPED model was developed with the aim of providing an enjoyable learning experience that helps students discover the concept of measurement through concrete objects with their surroundings, especially by engaging in the Battle Club game. Next, for the method, we use the design and development approach with the AD model, which includes 5 steps: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. This model creates the learning media in a structured way. And for the data collection, we collect the data through the media expert validation and a limited trial with 6 second grade elementary school students. The expert validation help us check the quality of the media, and limited trial allow us to see how the student and responded and interacted with it. Finally, for the data analysis, we used a qualitative descriptive approach to describe and explain the results for the both expert validation and the student trial. Subsequently, in the next stage, a student worksheet was developed using an mathematics approach combined with the SPADE model. In the first picture, this explains about the simulation. At this page, students will be given an initial understanding of the game and they will play whether it applies to mathematics learning and measurement learning material. For the first stage, singing, students will sing the song Chit Chit Chewit as the beginning of the spread model. This activity introduces students to the learning they will be learning. Next to the playing stage, students will play the game Egrang Batu Kelapa according to the instruction and rules of the game. In analyzing stage, students analyze the result of the previous activity and connect their finding with their surrounding. After playing the game, students will begin to convert measurement tool from non-standard units to standard units and learn how to measure object using a ruler. And in the final stage, students are given several evaluation and questions to measure their understanding of the measurement material. Next, we will explain the result of validation process. This table presents the validation result of the development student worksheet, which involve 3 aspects: the subject matter expert, the media expert, and limited testing with student. As shown in the table, the subject matter expert provided a validation score of 91.6%, which falls into the very visible category. This indicates that the content of the worksheet is accurate, relevant, and in line with the learning object. The media expert gave a score of 88.3%, also categorized as very visible. This shows that the design, layout, and the visual aspect of the worksheet are considered effective and engaging for the student. Meanwhile, the limited testing conducted with the student result in a score of 93.3%, which again belongs to the very visible category. This suggests that students found the worksheet easy to use, interesting, and helpful in supporting their learning process. Overall, based on this result, the development student worksheet can be considered highly feasible for custom implementation. Move on to the conclusion of the study. The Athlon Mathematics-based student worksheet using the SPADE model achieved very feasible result based on expert validation and limited testing. This learning media effectively strengthens student understanding of standard and non-standard units through cultural-based activities. In conclusion, the Mathematics student worksheet with the SPADE model assist by Bato Kelapa game provides an innovative, effective, and enjoyable learning approach for second grade elementary school students. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.